So you want to make an actor move towards another actor. That simple move to actor. Instead of giving coordinates, you give it a target. It updates automatically as target moves. And to get it, just right click and type simple move to actor as you can see on the screen. For now, we already have it, so let's remove it because we are gonna demonstrate it very simply here. So first of all, we are getting the actor that we wanted to follow, the goal, which is a normal tutorial actor I made, which is nothing fancy. Wait a minute, I will just show you. This is the actor we are following, which is just a simple cube in a blueprint, nothing more. There is no code which is relevant to this situation. Now, what I did is I connected that to simple move to actor, which I have to give the player controller, the get player controller. If you don't do it, if you don't give it get player controller, it won't move any actor. Now, the goal is again the return value from the get actor of class and the delay of 2 seconds. So whenever that moves, it moves with it. So let's just compile the code and now we will just press let's get far from that actor that we want to follow. And one more thing to consider here, that the green should be like this. If you somehow disrupt it, like if I bring it a little bit down, you can see how it disrupt it. Now it won't work. It have to be above or below in proper way so that it can be in contact with it like this, you can see on the screen. Because if it like disrupted like this, it won't go near it, it will just fail. So for now, as you can see, it's above. So as soon as we press begin play, it got near it. I didn't move it on by hand, and now it is below it. And again, when we press play, it will go automatically to that actor. But if I just bring it a little bit above like this, and you can see it's you might think it's the best way, but as soon as press play, it didn't move. So to move it, you have to put it either below or above it. Means the green should be fully navigatable. Then only it will go. Otherwise, it will give an error that that location is not found. That kind of thing. So where it will be useful, you might ask. It will be useful, or we can say it perfect for pets following you, or NPC companions, or enemy chasing the player. So it's very useful in these kind of situations. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.